No man, that's how it stay. We this now guys.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family.
Right, from when Jaden killed me for deal with it. So today's Jaden's big day. Alright? And I dare so Jay. And I dare so. Wait, me soon show you. You're too excited, you know, Jaden. Yeah guys, so what do you with some burger, you get me I say? From scratch, so buy some ground beef.
Today's chef for today.
Yeah, some ground beef. So I already add my breadcrumbs and some black pepper, right? With that also I have some diced onions and garlic. So I add that to the mixture. You see me?
So what other seasoning are you going to put on it?
I'm black pepper already, right? I'm gonna crush some of this.
You're going to crush some
Pimento.
pimento.
Crush some pimento. This is how I do it. Pimento. That. See me? Alright. The salt. Make it all purpose. See that guys?
What are you saying, Kai? Hey guys. Guess who's making a cameo? So today is a very hot day, but it's a family day. So Adrian here I do him, you know, eat burgers, which you guys are gonna see. Alright. But I just want to show you guys what's happening outside. Look at this guy.
Oh my tummy pool!
Okay, so Jay's in the pool wilding out, like literally this guy is wilding out, okay? In the pool. Right? Spraying water everywhere. In father I get wet somewhere when I back and all these things. So yeah, that's it. He's enjoying it. He's certainly enjoying it. So guys, this pool was gifted to us by a company. We're gonna see their link in the description box. We got this Panmax pool and it has the capacity to hold 2 adults and 2 children, so it's like perfect for us. So instead of us putting it out, we plan to just have a good time in the pool. As you can see, Jalen is already enjoying himself, right? I want to join him yet. So this is actually great for us because why it's hot in Jamaica, right? In the house right now, as you're going there, start sweat. Like it's just you just sweat it out. So this is a perfect addition to our summer experience this year. Kai too young for going there now, but he's certainly taking in the experience. So Adrian was saying, wonder if he can put him in it. I'm like, not too know, but Kai like water and Kai loves bath time. Like bath time, when he's in the water, and you just throw the water upon him, because I have this little whale thing that we used to bathe him. Like when you're pouring the water and Kai is in heaven, alright? Man lay back like him in his own pool or jacuzzi, go and rub him down. Throw water upon him all you want. Right? That's his space. So Kai love water, but I don't really know about the pool. We'll see. We'll see. So guys, remember when we did our supermarket challenge, right? So Asian Boombox, yeah? You get Kristen last night, you know, karaoke and all these things. So sit here, up running for hours. So yeah, the music guys, the music. Sit here, have it up, and Jaden can't wait to get on it. Jaden is making his vocals.
Yeah guys, fire catch, you know. So me just get the right amount of this thing. A nice day guys for us. A nice good evening, you know. Be some burger and just our chill vibe, you know.
Yep.
Hi, people.
Hi.
Yeah, the squad, big up on yourself, is it? Big up on yourself.
Your son is so gross. He's over there talking about pooping.
Are you going to school? I bet him pee in there already.
What? Did you?
You pee in there?
You pee in there?
Yes, that's birthday.
What? You better not pee in there. So, how were you as a child, Adrian?
In terms of?
Were you like Jaden? Wilding out every chance you get?
Yeah, I saw boy pitney, I said then stay. So boy pitney stay. We don't want him less than that, cause we want him, you know, enjoy him in childhood and you know. Yeah.
Guys, this is Jaden Calm, alright? You should have seen him before. He was literally in there wilding out, alright? I'm start put on the meat is now on the grill.
Yeah. Yeah guys, can't wait. Yeah man.
Yep.
Can't wait. A nice
Good
juicy
flex.
burger.
It's a good flex. Yeah, so it's a good flex for today, guys. Good vibes, good people. Always good, right? So I have grandma over here about like a chat with Kai Kai. People Kai Kai are cooing away conversations. If you hear him talk, man. So he's awake after. You can swim?
Yes, look.
Go and swim, yeah, my friend. Yes. Kai. People hear that a while ago, JK. You hear that a while ago? You hear that a while ago? JK. Well, he said in the circle. And he said in the circle. And he said in the circle, right? So Kaya just chill out after a long nap. Yep.
Like, more than 3 hours?
Yeah, like, guys, him not sleeping at the again, you know. Remember one time he was like all about sleeping in the days, like a drunken man? No, he's about staying up. If I put him down, him up in 15 minutes. But today I'm actually sleep for 3 hours, so that's pretty cool.
Hey.
One of his favorite people. This is one of his favorite people, guys. You see a morning time, big smile, him and Jaden. Me get smile too, but boy, for them smile just extra big.
If you
So me I feel
take you for granted already. Guys, you are always with him.
Probably. Probably.
Ew, that's fire! Like a dog, mongrel dog.
No, this not blow up, you know, like.
She would certainly enjoy this moment, I tell you.
And it's a big, big pool. And
Come on. You gonna go on, you know? Hey! I come here,
He's a very easy, I tell you.
I enjoy this pool, you know? So guys, as I say, a company from Amazon reach out to us and send this to us, right? Links will be in the description, and also there'll be a discount code down below, guys, so you can look out for that, right? If you guys interested, as Cass had said, right, this is perfect for summertime now. We're heading on to the summer months now.
Yeah.
Perfect, right, for the family. You can hold up to 2 adults and 2 children. You see me? Yeah, man. Good balls. Yeah, the burger them come nice and juicy, you know? Nice and juicy. Do them some well done burgers. Whoa, nice and juicy, guys. Yeah, guys, so you know we put on with cheese now. We're up on the finishing. You see me? Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. Come closer now. Show them what I go on. Show them what take place. Yeah. Alright, guys, so on to the finishing now. So I'm gonna toast the buns. Alright. Jaden is still a go on mad. Hey. Yep.
So guys, Ethan requested a smoothie, so we're gonna make a smoothie. Alright? So these are the ingredients. Out of frozen stuff I'm using basically. Pineapple, mangoes. This is a mix of berry, blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry. So this is the same mix. Oh, and cucumber. Frozen cucumber. So these are all frozen.
You had to cut this and put this up.
Yeah.
And some bananas.
And bananas.
Awesome.
Ripe bananas.
Alright.
Years on place I've had a leave. Travel over land and overseas. Watching the Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family. The Delpet family.
Hey. Enjoy your day?
yes, I did.
Nice. Alright, more ketchup than that, man. More ketchup. More ketchup. Alright. Alright. There we go.
Okay.
Ooh. Hey. What a big bite. Hmm? What a big bite. Your smoothie will come right up here. Yes. We this now, guys. Our smoothie and, you know,
Yeah.
burger up and running.
As Asian we say it's a good look.
Very good look. Hey. Kyrie sleeping, guys.
Yeah.
Kyrie asleep.
Perfect end to a good day, right?
Oh.
Tastes good. Tastes good.
Never dig in now. Nice. Proper, you know? Proper, man. Oh, God. Think nice, yo?
It's good, guys.
Trust me. I'm not exaggerating, no. Seriously. Moist. Nice, you know?
So guys, thank you so much for watching another Delcraft family video.
You guys.
D-Squad, we appreciate your visit, right? Look, you just see you doing this video and you should have seen that. And then for my son. You saw him. Good day. Cheese. Alright, Mr. Cameraman. Right? One thing at a time. Alright, so remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Right? Give us a like because we love that. And let us know what you think, alright? We want to see you in the comment section. Turn on your post notification bell and remember the setting is on.
And guys,
alright?
if you want to purchase the pool, remember, link in the description. Alright? Yeah guys, peace out.
Bye D-Squad.
Bye.